You are watching Tech Dynamo Digital Evolution.
A blurry cat photo transformed into a sharp, high-resolution image with every whisker and fur detail restored. A low-resolution, faded childhood portrait restored into a smooth, high-quality image with natural facial details brought back to life. Face spots and uneven skin tones automatically corrected in a model photo shoot, eliminating the need for manual photo editing. A noisy, uneven landscape image of Big Ben transformed into a clean, detailed photograph that looks like it was captured with a professional DSLR and low-light lens. A noisy video enhanced into a clean, detailed HD and 4K video, suitable for professional work and social media. A low frame rate video with noticeable frame drops converted into smooth high FPS footage, perfect for slow motion playback. A shaky handheld skiing video transformed into smooth, stabilized footage without wobble or distracting camera shake. An old black and white photograph restored with realistic colors, giving new life to cherished memories. Background noise removed from audio recordings for cleaner, clearer, and more professional sound quality. Vocals or instruments separated with a click for karaoke tracks, remixes, and more flexible audio editing. And the best part? All of these enhancements can now be done with a one-click AI tool called VideoProc Converter AI. It's from a company called DigiArty, and you can download and try it for free. Their new Super Resolution version 3 model boasts a 40% to 80% speed boost. It can enhance blurry, noisy, grainy, and compressed videos, bringing back more detail and clarity where it matters most. Their AI frame interpolation uses AI motion estimation algorithms to generate new frames, making it easy to create 480 FPS videos or even higher. The result is ultra-smooth motion and slow-motion footage without distracting artifacts. The new video stabilization feature helps minimize shakes, jitters, and wobbles in footage captured on action cameras and smartphones, delivering smoother and more polished results. Their image AI models can upscale, denoise, deblur, and restore natural details, making images suitable for fine printing and professional work. You can also revitalize old photos by restoring faces and colorizing black and white photographs. Audio AI offers powerful tools for audio editing and works on songs, vlogs, interviews, and more. One of the biggest strengths of VideoProc Converter AI is its optimized Level 3 hardware acceleration, providing up to 47 times faster processing and rendering speeds. You can find the direct download link for VideoProc AI in the video description. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Tech Dynamo.